Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to dual boot Kali Linux with any Windows OS, so let's start. So first we have to get the image file of Kali Linux. So let's get to their official website www.kali.org. Then go to download section. Here you can see different versions of the image. You can download according to your choice. I am downloading the 64-bit ISO. You can either download via HTTP or torrent. I have already started the download as you can see. It's of 2.6 GB only. Now search for Power ISO on Google and download it. We will create a bootable disk through the software. Link to download section is given in the description. Download the software 64 or 32-bit according to your OS. Now install the software. Next insert a blank disk to your system. It should be of 4.7 GB. Now open Power ISO. Then click Open. Select the ISO of Kali Linux where it has been downloaded. Now click on Burn. It will automatically detect the DVD that we have inserted. Set the burning speed to 4x, it will take some time but it's the precise method. Then click Burn. As you can see, burning is complete. Now let's head to dual boot. Remember, you should give the first priority to CD-ROM device. If you don't know how to do it, check my previous video on installing Boss Linux. Select the free disk space partition that has already created. Then create a new partition of 50 GB and set mount point to root, which is a /. Again, create a new partition of 2 GB and set mount point to boot, where the boot files will be installed, and remember its number. Here it's 8. Then create a new partition of 20 GB and set mount point to home. Then create a new partition of 6 GB and select use as swap area. It's most important step. If you don't create a swap area, then it OS would be unfaithful to you on future. Then select write changes to disk, then click yes, and it will start installing Kali to your system. Don't panic here, we will install EasyBCD tool to select our OS during boot. The link to download EasyBCD is given in the description. Open the software after installing it. Now select Add New Entry. Then select Linux/BCD, then select the type SysLinux, give any name to it, and then select the drive where the boot files are installed. Then click on Add Entry, and then open View Settings, to confirm our adding is complete or not. Save the settings. Now restart. The username is root. And apply the password that you have created at installation time. So we have successfully dual booted Kali with Windows without any errors. Hoping you guys like my video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. If you find any kind of problems during installation or after installation, feel free to comment, I will create a video to solve the problems that arise. Thank you guys for sticking here. Goodbye.